In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your profile on Substack. First and foremost, we need to make sure you're logged into your Substack account. Once you're on the main page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your account icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will unveil a drop-down menu with various options. From this list, you'll want to select Settings. It's in this section that you'll find all the controls and options related to your account management. Once you're inside the Settings menu, you'll see an area labeled Account. This is where your profile details are housed. Next to your profile, you'll notice a button labeled Edit. Click on it to start personalizing the details of your profile. This interface gives you the flexibility to make several changes that can help you better represent yourself to your audience. Let's start with your profile picture. A compelling profile picture can make a great first impression, so it's essential to choose an image that truly reflects your identity or brand. Once you've picked the perfect image, go ahead and upload it to complete the process. Next up, we'll update your name. This is the name that others will see, so ensure it is accurate and represents you well. Simply click in the name field and type the name you want to be displayed on your profile. Following this, there's an option to change your handle. Your handle acts as a personal identifier on the platform, similar to a username. It's a good idea to opt for something unique and easy to remember so people can find you easily. Now let's take a look at the bio section, where you have room for a bit of creativity. Here, you can share a snippet about yourself, what you do, your interests, or what you write about. A well-crafted bio can entice potential followers, so take a moment to think about what might intrigue your audience. In today's connected world, linking to your other social media accounts like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook can enhance your online presence. It's a great way to allow your audience to connect with you across various platforms. Simply input the URLs of your social profiles in the allotted fields. And don't worry if you have multiple platforms to list. There's plenty of space for more links should you need it. After you've made all your desired changes, it's important to double-check everything to ensure it's exactly how you want it. This step is crucial because your profile reflects who you are and what you stand for on Substack. With all adjustments made and verified, your profile is now up to date. These simple edits can make a significant difference in how you're perceived online, helping you to build a consistent and professional personal brand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you feel more confident in showcasing who you are on Substack.